Okay guys, we are going to be learning about Roman numerals. We did this already, but we didn't go over it too much. Okay, so you remember these? All right, so we're going to go over it on this page. All you need to do is right after the Roman numeral right here, you just write the regular number. Okay, so what is that one? That's a 1, right? So I don't want to mess up this page in case I need to print it again. So I'm going to put this right here. Right, oh, there's a shadow right there. Move that over a little bit. Okay, let me get this open. All right, so what is that? That is a 1. It looks just like a 1, really, doesn't it? You can make a 1 just straight, or you can have it look a little bit more like that if you want to, okay? All right, what is that? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. All right, remember that the V is a 5, and anything on the left side of any of the letters, it means that you take it away, right? So what this is saying right here is 5, take away 1. How many do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? There you go. So that's a 4, because it's 5 take away 1. And the V, what did we just say the V was? It's a 5. Now you don't have to write them with the little lines underneath. That's how they're usually written, but you can just write it just a regular V, just like that. And that can be written just like that. And this can be written just like that. And that just like that, and that just like that. You see? If that might make it a little bit easier. Okay? All right, so the V is a 5, right? And if it's on this side, it's a plus. So that's saying 5 plus 1. So how many would that be? If you have 5, I can't put up another finger, but you have 5, 6, 5, 6, right? So a V1 is 6. And you could just write it just like this too, just like that. See? Okay, here's a 5 plus 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7. There's a 7. And you could just write it just plain, just like that. Okay. Here's a 5 plus how many? 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And there you go, right? Okay. And you can just write just a V. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Okay. Let me just turn this over, actually. We'll do it on this side. There's several of these. The cool thing about Roman numerals is there's only a couple really that you have to remember. You have to remember the X is a 10, the V is a 5, and just the little ones are just mean 1 each. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so what was the X again? The X was a 10. And if there's anything on this side, that means you take it away. So what's 10 take away 1? You know what 10 take away 1 is? All right, I can't show you my fingers right now. So just put out your 10 fingers, okay? Now take away 1. And how many do you have left? 9. Very good. Okay, and you can just write it just like this if you want to, if that's easier. Just a 1 and an X. Okay, what was the X? The X was a 10. Now, here's an X plus 1. How many is that? Count up, okay? You just, on this side, it's plus. On this side, it's takeaways or minus, okay? 10 plus 1. 10. What comes after 10? 11. 11. You can write it just like this. On this one, just be an X. You don't have to be fancy and do the little lines. I was trying to be too fancy, I think. Okay. Now this is a 10 plus how many? 10 plus 2. You guys probably already said it already. Let's count up. Ready? 10, 11, 12. And you can write that just like that. Okay? All right, there's 10 plus 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3. 10, 11, 12, 13. You guys see it's just going in order? Don't cheat. I want you guys to really get what this is saying, okay? 1, 2, 3. Don't just count. Really know what it's doing. Okay, what is the X? The X is a 10, right? 10 plus, this is where it gets a little tricky. Okay, So then you come over here and you say the V. What's a V? The V is the 5, okay? And 5, take away 1, is 4. So now we're gonna add a little bit more. 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You add anything to a 10, it's gonna be like the same. So 10 plus 4 is 14, 10 plus 3 is 13, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 1 is 11, okay? So 10 plus 4 is 14. Whoops. And then you can just do it just like this, okay? All right, now this would be 10 plus 5. Just plain 5, not the 1 5, like right here. See, that was a 4 right over here, right there. Okay, so 10 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. And then you can just do the X and the 5, just like that. All right, let's do one more page. Whoa. We can probably do this one just a little bit faster. Okay. All right, 10 plus, the V1 is a 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. And you can just write it just like that. 10 plus the V in the 2 is what? That's a 6. This is a 7. 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 plus 6 is 16, 10 plus 7 is 17. Remember all that? Okay, so you can just go just like this. Okay, 10 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 7 is 17, 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, right, just like that. 10 plus, now this is a 9. See, 10, take away 1 is 9, right? You put 10 fingers up and you take 1 away. How many do you have left? 9. So 10 plus 9 is 19. You guys hear the pattern, right? Let's do it one more time. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 plus 9 is 19. And now there's 2 10s together. How many does that make? You guys know, right? Count your fingers and your toes. So let's just do a column one right here just to show you real fast. 10 plus 10, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. It's 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. And you can just write 2 X's right beside each other to make that. Now remember what the L is. The L is a 50. Just remember that. The L in Roman numerals is 50. The C in Roman numerals is 100, and it's just a C, just like that. Okay, let me see if I can keep going. Okay, I'll get a new piece of paper. Kind of went too far on that one. All right, this is just an M, okay? An M is 1,000, and you can write it just like that, okay? Get that out of the way. Okay, now this is just review a little bit. So what was the X? The X is 10. So just write it just like that. What was the V? The V is 5. And what was X plus 1? 10, 11. 11. Oh wait, that is not. You guys probably saw that close sooner than I did. That's an L. Oops, this just made a mistake. All right. This is 50, and the X is on this side, so it's a takeaway. So that is going to be 50, take away 10. Anybody know what that is, counting by tens? Think about it for a minute. All right, now that on that column is 5, take away 1. What's that? 5, take away 1 is 4. That's 40. You see how that happens? 50, take away 10 is 40. And then 40 take away 10 would be 30. And then 30 take away 10 would be 20. And 20 take away 10 would be 10. 10 take away 10 would be 0. Okay. All right, so this one is 40 right here. Okay, what would 3 X's in a row mean? 3 10s in a row. 3 10 tens in a row. Now, you can do this a couple ways, remember. So you can count by tens, 10, 20, 30, or you can just do the columns. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So 3x's is 30. Now what would this be? This would be 2x's. 2x's was 20, wasn't it? Because 10 plus 10, 10, 20 plus 5. What's 20 plus 5? 25. Very good. Yeah, and you can just write it just like this. And then what would, this is 100, so what would 2 C's be? If 1 C is 100, how many would 2 C's be? Very good. 200. Sure you guys got that. Right? So 1 C is 100, 2 C's is 200. You guys got this. Okay? Good job.